Today's 2-minute tech tip is on Chromebook shortcuts. So the video is a little different today. First, if you want to be able to scroll quickly without having to go to the scroll bar over on the side, you can use 2 fingers and scroll up and down a page. That's one shortcut. Another is you might find yourself needing to type in all caps on a page. So if you do, you can Alt and the magnifying glass, and that will change it to all caps. I know you can't see that, so another quick trick is to zoom in on that page. I can use the Control key and the plus. So Control plus will zoom in on a page, and Control minus will zoom out on that page. Ooh, I zoomed way out. Control 0 will reset it to what it originally was. Now, that's just for that page. If I want to zoom in the entire Chromebook, then I can do Control Shift and plus, or Control Shift and minus, or Control Shift and 0 to reset. That changes the resolution for the whole Chromebook. Another one that's handy is this button that's up at the top that looks like a rectangle with 2 bars on the side. If you click on that, it shows you all of the windows that you have open on your Chromebook, and so you can click to get back to one that you have open but you don't see the tabs for across the top. That same button, if we hold Control down and hit it, we'll take a screenshot, and it tells us over here that that screenshot's now taken. We can show it in the folder, or we can just copy it to the clipboard, and then in our document we can Control V to paste it, and there's our screenshot. So I hope you find those tips useful and share them with your students.